All right, so this is a really cool demonstration of conservation of momentum. We've got a seesaw that we've rigged up from a bit of wood lying around the lab and a couple of old test tube holders there. One of the trolleys has its spring-loaded setting ready, and they're placed together, just touching in the middle. When you're picking your trolleys for this, just make sure that all of them have free motion on the wheels. One of them's not sticking a little bit more than the other. We're going to release it and I would ask the students to predict what's going to happen when we release the spring. Okay, and hopefully there you saw that the seesaw remained balanced. And Andrew's just going to set up the next step of this. So once we've done it once, get the students to explain what's going on using ideas of force, Newton's second law, and momentum. And then for the second one, we're going to vary the mass on one of the trolleys. So we've added a whole stack of extra masses here. When you're setting this one up, just note that that is going to displace it's going to make the center of the trolleys no longer the center of mass of the system. And so the center of mass is still in the middle, but the middle of the trolleys is slightly offset. Looks like you've done a beautiful job there, Andrew. Make sure that your trolleys are lined up so that they're not going to drop off the seesaw early. And then we can release, again, I'll let you do this one. Beautiful job, thank you, Andrew. Beautiful job, thank you, Andrew. Okay, and again, get your students to talk about what's going on with the force, mass and acceleration in that situation as well. All right.